Hello everybody. I'm trying to put this little video together because I think it might be helpful just for me to walk you through the document of the writing circles. We went over it in class, but I'm doing it again just in case and just to remind you of a couple of things. First of all, remember that you're going to be receiving this document, or that you received this document along with the other people in your writing circle group. So everybody has access to it. By using this document, this Google Doc, one of the things that we get to, the benefits of using it this way, is collaboration. So everybody will have access to the one document, and you will be putting your weekly essays into it. All right, so a couple things to keep in mind. The protocols. Try to keep the formatting as simple as possible. Follow the formatting that you see in the document already that I've already created for you. The main thing that you want to keep in mind is to use the header that I'm highlighting right now, trying to highlight right now. Here it is. Here's the header. So what you should do is you should just copy this header, and then when you're ready to post your essay, click on it and then go ahead and put your name. So I'm just putting my name, but you would put your name, the date, the title, and then the declaration of intention. What is a declaration of intention? It is a sentence or two saying what the essay is about. What is it responding to? Maybe it's responding to someone in the group who gave a particular assignment. Once you finish writing your essay, you're going to go ahead and click where it says insert, and you're going to find where it says horizontal line. When you include the horizontal line there, that means that the essay is complete and that the next person could then start their paper, and then what they need to do is paste again the header and fill it out, do the same thing, and when they finish, go ahead and put the horizontal line. It should be very, very simple. Now, one of the things that you want to do during the week is read each other's work. And as you read each other's work, your point is not so much to provide grammar help, although that might be an aspect of it, but it shouldn't be the main thing. And so your main purpose is to read each other's work and realize that you're reading something that is meaningful for someone. Someone has wrestled with these words and put them down on paper or on the computer for you to read and react to their ideas, to the way that they put it together. And so you're going to read for content, and also if you find ways to make the paper better, you're going to try to do that as well. How are you going to do that? You're not going to go into the essay itself in terms of changing it. Instead, you're going to highlight the text, as I'm doing right here, and you're going to go where it says insert, and you're going to go ahead and put a comment. Click on comment, and the comment will appear on the side. It's not appearing completely here on the screen, but you'll see it once you do it. And then you'll see that when you write your comment, let me see if I can make the screen bigger, but I don't think I could do it now. When you write your comment, you will be able to also respond to the comment that the person made. And so, let's see if I could do this now. Right, so when you click on the comment again, there will be a little message that says reply to this comment. You could go ahead and have an entire conversation on the comments that you post. Anyway, that's what you're going to be doing in terms of commenting. All right, so each essay is due on Wednesday of each week, and so as I was saying, each essay is due on Wednesday of each week, and it'll be due, let's say, by noontime. So by 12 noon Wednesday, that essay should be turned in. Do not wait till 2 p.m. on Wednesday to turn it in. As a matter of fact, you should try to have it in by Tuesday to be on the safe side. The way this works is, once you turn in your essay, and once I go back and look, I will look for the date stamp, and if the essay is due by that Wednesday or earlier of the week, you will receive your 200 points. All right, so as long as the essay is an authentic response, meaning that you have done your best to put together a meaningful text for the group, you will receive your 200 points. Now, in terms of the comments, I expect that you comment on each other's work and that you do so using the method that I just explained, inserting the comments. Those comments are due the Monday following when the essays are due. That means that between Wednesday when the essay was turned in and let's say Sunday night, you have had time to read the essays and to provide some feedback. I will be checking on these either Monday or Tuesday. The comments need to be in before Monday at noon, and those comments are worth 50 points. That means that if you have interacted with your group mates during that week, you will receive 50 points. All right, um, so it's 200 points for submitting the essay, 50 points for submitting comments. And if you miss turning in the essay, you will receive minus 50 points. And what I have not written in here, which I need to and I will in the latter comment, in the latter in the version that you get of this document, is that if you do not provide comments for your group members, you will receive minus 20 points. So it's 50 points for providing comments, minus 20 points for not providing any. And so there is a massive incentive to move ahead in terms of the points. All right. What else do I want to say? Plagiarism is sometimes a problem. I usually don't have a lot of issues with this, but just in case, I want to make sure that this is clear. None of the work, nothing that you submit in this document can be copied from somewhere else. It is unacceptable. That is a form of plagiarism. One of the things that I will show you this week, or the week to follow, is that we will all get an account through Turnitin. Every essay that you turn in to this document, you will first need to submit it through Turnitin, and it needs to be clear of any issues with plagiarism. I am not out to get you, but I want to make sure that every single paper that is turned in this way is actually your own and not someone else's. Borrowing any kind of information from any source needs to be documented. That's one of the things that we will be going over this semester. So anytime that you borrow information, you want to make sure that you document where you got it from. At the beginning of the semester, you will find that you may not understand how to document everything perfectly. Just do your best to make sure that you say where it comes from. And little by little, the formatting for this, which we will be using the MLA format, will become clearer as we move through the semester. That's it. That's the writing circles. This will be one very, very large file by the end of the semester. I think it will be a very worthwhile experience. The key to making this very successful is that you interact with your group mates, with your writing circle members frequently, and that you think about what's being written and what is being read in class, and that you assign each other interesting themes to explore. These essays could be very experimental. That means that you could try things that you've never tried before in terms of essay writing and see if it works, and if it doesn't work, learn from the experience of not doing it the way you wanted it to. The essays should be at least 500 words and no less than 500 words. So that's also an important factor. Anything less than 500 words will get a minus 50 because it is not complete. So as long as we're really clear on the fact that the work has to be turned in, the essay has to be turned in by Wednesday of each week, and that the comments need to be posted by Monday of the week, and that if failure to do so means minus 50 points for the essay and minus 20 for the comments, then we are good to go. All right, I hope this makes sense. I hope that this was useful, and I look forward to some amazing work ahead.